Let's see. Flashing out here as a way, I can see my idea. Hurry up, come. Hurry up and come. God, this is a slap, this. Hurry up and come. Good evening. You know what? Because the syrup are done here now. I see who I go buy me a syrup idea, yeah. And so weird. Bro, God, because I you come talk about again, you know. But some of the people, them, they say if I come back and talk about you again, yeah, them are going to kill me. Well, me are dead today. Me are going dead today. Me are going to tell you something about hypocrisy and Jamaica, you know. You see, Jamaicans, I'm not Jamaicans. Jamaicans don't do nobody nothing. You see, the system what Jamaicans have are it, you know. You understand what I deal with? Dancehall is the most fight genre music in the whole world. So till to how them fight dancehall, even the own country where it come from fight it the worst. So dancehall artists are the least paid artists, is all the Afrobeat. One of them. Cash up, I don't buy me but my blood clot liquor, you know. I have a blood clot there. I come here and I take up phone. I take up phone all the time when you hate me. When you cuss me like dog, but I want to betterment me, I look out for Jesus Christ. When you cuss me, you know, what's I say go? I say go. I just say go. I just say go. I just say go. I just say go. So here one. I just say go. Alright. Okay, I love that syrup here. Fuck. Really nice. I appreciate it. You see me? Mad the fuck. DJ Khaled, a whole heap of people wouldn't call him corny. Yeah, him kind of overdo the Jamaican thing, but at the end of the day, him embrace the Jamaican culture more than even the people who come there. You understand me? Of course, whatever you might say as the leader for Jamaica saying they're exploiting Jamaicans and Jamaican culture. You understand me? In my knowledge, that's not what them doing. What these people are coming to our island come do is make money off of what you guys are beating us not to make money off of. You understand me, dear? The only way dancehall artists can make money nowadays is if a foreign entity come down there and say, you know what? Come now, do a few feature with that somebody here. Yo, you know what I want to do a feature with you? Let me pay you for do one song. Yes, you know why? Because you as the Prime Minister, you as the government and the government before you, the government we are dealing with for years, sir. The government that we are dealing with for years beat dancehall music the worst. Dancehall music can't be nothing until they make one something named Afrobeat. You see, Afrobeat is a genre of music right now. And what is a genre? And a dancehall. A dancehall then take and turn and sitting with them and make millions off. Why, Mr. Leader? Mr. Government, why? Because you lock off the whole of we dance them. You lock off the whole of we dance them, you beat with dancehall artists, them are the worst thing ever happened to the island. But yet, people come from all over the world and work with them because them like the movement, they love the music. They see a music what you say because me see rappers, they rap about gang violence every day, murder this, murder that. But me not see Broward County have enough murder, the murder rate where your little island have, but you blame the music and every day the rap music. Pussy nigga, get gunshot in your face, bitch ass nigga. I'll bust you up, bitch. I'll pipe, I toot you up. Guns in my face, bitch. We have a song right now. It's a whole dance. But what the fuck is he talking about? Knocking your fucking dreads off. You feel me? I deal with him and knock your dreads. All of that. But you know when they go up on TikTok? The whole of we are doing tugging in our Reeboks. The whole of we are tugging our Reeboks, you know. Who you see killing people in them Reeboks? Who else are killing people that no. But you You lock off everything. If you see a girl them a jump on a flicker ground, it is a problem. Then feel lock up. You carry everybody gas station. Uptown Monday can't keep in priest. Downtown this can't keep whopping stirs in. None of that. Lock off every dance. Dancehall artists no feed. Because if no show now go on. How the dancehall artist? Boy, dub if you go run. A be a dub. You feel like say you're look at dub money where you did go pay. You look at artists them. If you do couple look at dub. You think so that can feed the man them and them bomber clad family. No. You beat the journey of music so much near dancehall so till Africa can take it and turn it in a blood class sitting. So Burna Boy, them and Davido, them and blood class Mr. Easy and all of them. Whiskey, the whole of them can just run up and down and this and that and rare. Them take our journey of music because what? It is where we come from, it wrong to be a dancehall artist. You no put no money or investment in a dancehall music, but you no want to tell who you can sell with music to. You no put no, you hate dancehall music the most. When you hear dancehall music, all you hear a murder. The next verse 48. Somebody short, yes, somebody dead round this. From the song you cut in a studio, be a dead people. Remember? And when DJ Khaled can fly film jet from all over the fucking world and come down there and come appreciate and spend money down there to come vibe with the artists them so they can make some money in another foreign country where you now allow them to make. So how you want to have a talk in a dancehall music? Why now you care? Why you feel like saying if you say something right now? Why I know? Why no? Just because you see the man a fly come down the frequent, you see man buy one look house in your island now, you see all of them other people willing to help Jamaican music more than you were down there we say you're the leader. Before you help dancehall artists, you wanna put them in jail and call them murderer and drunk. Before you look on it and say, yo, you know say we can use this in a tourism right and because dancehall music hot. Everybody love dancehall music. When they never try to invest in a Jamaicans yet, but when always want to fucking reap. We don't want to reap from things on they never fucking sow. And you of all person with your big bum buckler nose they ever come and I try to reap off a ghetto youths, brother. And you don't like ghetto youths, brother. You hate poor people so till you don't know what to do with yourself, brother. When you see poor people, it's like you're ready to kill them youth. You see me? 10 tick feels so good for me, Mr. Blood Clot, Mr. Khaled. Big producer in the whole world. Some of the artists are even glad to see you as the Prime Minister because you're a pussy youth. You feel them you do, you don't do nothing for the youth them, you don't do nothing for help the youth them career in a dancehall music. Nothing at all, you don't embrace them, you don't embrace the culture, but you want to get money out of the culture. You want to get money out of the youth them hard work. The youth them sit down in a studio, they see music where you see a perish your fucking island. You blame these youths for everything. You blame them for everything. You hate dancehall music. As when you hear one sound string up, you go lock it off and beat selector and beat them people. So one time when you see the people them come from all over the world, if you come hear these things and if you come there and vibe with it, why you don't want money out of it now? I want to hate dancehall artists, I want to deal with dancehall artists them the worst. Everything I want to blame the dancehall artists them for. But right now, when time you see say Mr. Khaled come down there and he want to invest into these artists and make them make money. These artists, they're people too. And they need money too. You understand me? I deal with me. They say you're not gonna like me too because enough only in the system. The only thing when they do have real benefits you. Because we not live off of we. You think we live off of uno? We not live off of we. No, when the system look money can make in a dancer, the whole of not try running. You feel me a deal? No, no want go up the youth, them tax out and not give them no way to make money. But you don't want tax out of them money. You know, boy, allow the youth them alone, man. You feel me a deal with? When time you looking at, as soon as DJ Khaled ease up out of Jamaica, as DJ Khaled, you there in a parliament the next day a true award. Say foreign entities are coming in here to buy out our culture. And we are allowing them to do so. Of course. Shit. Of course. Of course, that's what you're doing. That's what you're doing. You as a man, You as a man, as the Prime Minister for Jamaica, you are going to look at yourself and you are going to say, yo, Jano, you know, so Mrs. say, boy, Kelly that come down here and make beer money for them dancehall artists, yeah? So what you think me are going to do? Me are going to do the same thing too, you know. Me are going to do the same thing. Me are going to sit down and pray and go in a parliament and see what me can say. But brother, you fight the system the most. When a dancehall system start, you first go lock it off. When time the man have string up, you first one come beat the crowd and lock up the crowd before Corona. So stop blame Corona for deal with people in the dancehall away. Because before Corona, we not deal with this one, bust up or wire them, for sound them. Dirty police, boy. Dirty system. Remember, say the same culture where you say people are come by, who no beat, we not fi do it. And no lock we up fi not do it. So nobody can want no money out of it now, brother. Because remember, say, hide with a hide back on all of these years. And I go party and get a chop. And them, all of them girls where you see a dance in a dance hall, I feed them pitney. And feed them family. But oh, you would rather see them suffer. You would rather see the youth them suffer Jamaica, but no, you see the man a come down here investing at the artists them. You want money out of it too, and I think about investment. You should have blood clot think about that long time. The time when you turn off all of the same dance them when you see a go on there. Well, artists them a make them premiere, and money them a go they go make. When time they song them a play in a dance, and money them a go make, and you a lock them off and a deal with we away. But no, you see the people want come make one look at investment in a way you're ready for come beat you and take it. I saw on a stay on a systematic dirty slavery on have people, you know. And then just you at the whole hour, because you are the first Prime Minister. One time me talk loosely youth. Me not reason with just you alone. You know the younger thief come boy. A whole hour a thief. From party to party, the whole hour a thief. You feel me I deal with that now. When you see the dancehall music I get bigger. No, no one can run in and come make bumbuckler. This and make talk and read. Low people make people help with. Because you not help nobody out. You feel me I deal with? Make the dancehall artists them eat them food that them a eat. Because you not feed them. And you not feed them youth. That me I try to tell you. Remember, you eat with the most. We when I dance them we have bumbuckler red and a willy bunks field with bumbuckler pitney them and a bumbuckler fling shoulder and a feed with youth them and girl with up on the head top of them pitney them a bumbuckler feed because of fear system. I remember you lock off the whole of them they dance there. I remember so when you take off artists off a stage when they never go perform for them fans them. So when you see people come down you start try help with nobody running youth. Don't run in because remember so we are the sufferer them boy. Yeah, me dey ask me talk, how you mean? My sense of earnings this year, this pay me. See me cash up right there, so there. You feel like you are giving me nothing? As a Jamaican, yeah, me there in American. Yeah, and me I look for my citizen. Yeah, me I look for God this, me I look for that. Me I look for all of that because guess what? Your system now work, my friend. You feel like say you are fine none of we and invest in we as the leaders and boy. Yeah? You have big music like reggae and dancehall. You never invest in none of them there yet. But as soon as you see other people are come try invest in a way and invest in our craft and invest in our talent, you come and you want thief up everything. You come and you want thief up everything. I try to make a way for get a use pay you. I try to make get a use give you money every day of your life because guess what? And you're here to it, you know. You're here to it. So why you want money out of this now? Why you want money out of dancehall now? Why you want money from them? Make the man help them. Because you not help them. You hate dancehall artists. You make dancehall artists look like the worst artists them bought the place. Them worse than the rapper, them worse than everything. But you want to take their money. No, you see so one little 2 cents can make over there already because you're craving. You're craving, but look how much food you box out of them same people your mouth. The amount of food that you box out of them people your mouth. Not even just the dancehall artists, them, even the woman them have to dance. In a them party there, 1 2 grand a night or 1 4 grand a night, you box food out of the whole of them mouth. Remember say that's how you send we go. Who knows the system, or that's how you send we go because if we don't have 32 subject them. So my time we have 49 subject and still not get no job. We have to go in there go shake ass like stripper in a dance. And enough food they lick out of our mouth, brother. A whole heap of food, you lick out our mouth and what? We sit down and test and we are watching. And we are saying, watch her. Alright, I will leader. What kind of leader? No, you see, say man want to come right down there so if you come invest in a dancehall music, yeah, make up nice. Because you want money out of it and the rest of the system. And when you done now, do nothing for the youth them in a dancehall more than send the youth them go to jail. And free them for murder. And free them for the blood clot crime and violence that are going in our system. You feel me I deal with? No, when time people are come real, we see it, people see with talent. And see who we are. See who we need to be and what them do. Come, they say, alright, we are helping you, because guess what now? I see so the blood clot system now help you. I see the corruption in our system strong. I see everybody with the right yes, just all for feed themselves. Dancehall music are the only genre of music that is not a genre of music. You can't see it nowhere. Only thing you see is reggae. Only thing you see is reggae. Why? Why you only see reggae? Why you only see reggae? Not because I only reggae. Because guess what? Dancehall music don't get any funding. Dancehall music don't get any funding. But no, you see the dancehall music are going to get funding from other producers from all over the world. You want a part of it. You not give with nothing, but as soon as you see other people can try and make a way to get up people with them craft, you don't want to have something to say night, you don't want to take out of it too. It's like when you have nothing. Get up people if you have nothing, bad man. And I hit me and look for them and I say, yo, Jano, just because the man sister Kelly that come and I can invest in an artist them and I make some money and I make the youth them name go out there. And I make the youth them known. I make the youth them known. I make people all over the world can book them. I make the youth them can get some visa for travel all over the world and share them craft. You see me? You don't want that. You think say you have fun dancehall, you rather you broke down dancehall. You no lack off dancehall. Dancehall style because I own every day. Everybody in a dancehall hungry because I wanna know them are gonna finally get the food. I wanna find some kind of way to tap in to the people their money. Una lock off the most dance them, beat the most selector them, lock up the most patron them for the same dance hall. But no, we're not going to try to talk about the foreign entities are going to come and try to take our craft and sell it for big bucks. So you mean? Oh you mean? They have to come and help we sell it. We there so we do much in talent and now blood clot put we out to the world. So make the world come to we then and make people can find other people. Too much talented people that Jamaica now get no help. Right now I see a local youth down at Jamaica make be a car. Be a local car by himself. The man use blood clot drinks buckle if make car top on them sitting there. You feel me? Robotic systems. None of them the kind of system. They don't college them. None of them give none of the youth them no headway. If you go enhance them talent, but you're not ready for blood clot scrape. As soon as a Jamaican reach the one ready for scrape and they never put them there. The amount of talented people that Jamaica and at one time other foreign entities try for invest in them at that time we hold on a blood clot running and come talk about yeah man a true man. We need to get money out of count of crave for people. The system one is all you know want to do is see a Jamaican reach someone so you can get for creep. When you can get for creep and thief, I saw on a stay. No, we not going to try put everything. First, you can put on dancers and we can be a murder and corruption and nastiness and dog shit and rare. Everybody in a dance and a dog shit and the whole of we are bad man and we drunk and we rare. Enough of what you see in a blood clot dance all. The whole of we in this try feed with bumbo clot family. Enough of the time we in this and a braff, we are blood clot braff. Some of we in this look hosting. Some of we in there look for go play up on the bumbo clot sound. We get 2 and 3 money pull up our next bookings for bumbo clot dance. Remember say dancehall is a business where feed poor people. And you fight dancehall the most. And as soon as they say DJ Khaled come right there and take we look at dancehall thing serious and want to put we out like you rapper them, you ready to come bumbo clot scrape up for our youth. And them thing them look pan in a youth. Me look pan in me look pan it in me look pan it and me say yo, you know how we reach nowhere in a life. We don't know how we reach. No, the amount of people with that Jamaica we strive because of dancehall and we fight it the most. That's why we have so much poor people. No for we no want to shoot nobody. We rather go in a dance, go dance and make our money. But what? We no make all that hard. We no lock off all like dance. We no bust up the wall of the wire. The man kick up blood class sound man. And kick up the man for venue. And lock up the man for venue. So who know we a fight dancers so hard? Why now you are talking about foreign entities coming to come invest? They fi invest. Uno not do nothing for dancehall artists. Them all uno do a blame them and call them robber and thief and gunman. That's all uno call them. If somebody get murdered around the side dancehall artists them. If somebody broke a house around the side dancehall artists them. One girl throat get cut I dancehall artists them. Everything I dancehall artists them. But you will fight this entity so much named dancehall. Why do you think so uno need nothing out of it? All no, dancehall is not a genre of music. And remember, so we have two genres in Jamaica, reggae and dancehall. Because dancehall is not reggae and reggae is not dancehall. And you know that. Reggae artists and dancehall artists collab. Reggae artists and dancehall artists collab. But are two different genres and a one alone. And if I never feel Bob Marley, probably wouldn't have none. Because of him make reggae known. We jamming. Remember that. I wanna still never invest. Wanna not put no money in it. All wanna do a reap benefits. Wanna put Bob Marley face and this and that rare. But one time so wanna never didn't remind people say in a Bob Marley days a kill or no kill Rasta. If you's a Rasta man a Jamaica then trim you and murder you. Remember say one time when see so now get all heap of fame out of Bob Marley, when start come talk about reggae. Because now hypocrite and opportunist and thief. No, we're not going to try thief from the dancehall artists. Them look how long the youth them there so with them talent. Foreign people start see the youth them talent and I try give them a headway now. If you go feed them bumbucklad family. And the first thing you can come see is that foreign entities coming down here to steal. Them not steal nothing. Them are enhance the people them talent and I show it to a wider scale of people. Because if I feel you alone, nobody no hear about it because you lack off dancehall. You no mind can lock down the whole of studio them. Remember say dancehall put on for your part too as a prime minister. Remember that dancehall is a part of your culture. And you never fight for make it be a genre of music, but you fight for get money out of it now though. You fight for talk about people that invest in it though. Did you? You invest in a dancehall? You feed any one of them dancehall boy a pitney? You know how much of them have youth and them have to use the same dancehall money to feed them? All you want to do is take. You just want to see a way to take. You system. The system not have no name. Because I can't call on you, bro, God. The whole system. It's a shame for you. So you fight dancehall so much. But you find it so nice in your heart. And in our soul, for bumbuckler can talk about so when you see foreign entities coming. Yes, because here we don't see if you invest in it. Other people see the talent, everybody see the glory, everybody see it, and them are investing in it. That's why I call you baby chum, because you don't want to better for your country. All you want to do are worse. You did know if you did fight for dancehall music, make preparations for dancehall music, and make it have a wide scale like rap. We could not sell out arenas like you rapper them too. We could not sell out all kind of places, but we can't sell out now because you fight dancehall music, you and the system. Fight dancehall music the most. You know, fight dancehall music and make dancehall look like it are the worst. When that is a part of our culture. When time that put enough pot, them same woman the why you see we have dancehall queen. We don't have no reggae queen. We don't have no reggae queen, we have dancehall queen. But we never try hides that. We never try if you put that. Me tell you, if you tell you reggae and dancehall are two different things. But you fight, you know. You fight dancehall. But no, you want to make money a fight. You fool. You want to fight out Sting. Remember? Sting Top Kid. I will alone keep now, Mr. Wholeness, reggae some fest. Because reggae is what you heights. That is the journey of music. And now, when you soon bring back Sting now. Jonas sister look money can make off a dancehall. Dancehall been a make money. We could have be one of the richest journey of them, but what? Who no fight it the most and now no one can make money off fight. Who no last me. Look how much a dancehall that jail. Me must a dancehall on no blame for everything. Everything I wanna never blame on a fucked up organization I wanna call politics. I wanna never blame that yet. That the most fuck up organization me know, you know. Politics. Cause trick wanna come for trick and manipulate people, you know. Wanna manipulate people into voting into a spot thinking you can help. When that was not so. What was the truth? The truth was you're trying to make a better way for you and your family, right? What about the rest of family them? Dancehall family them. 90% of Jamaica is a dancehall country. And a hit now a journal. Reggae not even hot like blood clean dancehall every minute. One time you hear, in a them a Yankee a song, them listen to dancehall more than reggae. They like it dancehall artists them more than reggae artists. Dancehall artists known all over the world. But what the only people that heights dancehall, Mr. Wholeness, is you and your government system. I wanna fight dancehall and put dancehall to which part it there. It's like dancehall and your own personal local jazz. You take off your brief, you fold it up and you put it in a one bumbuckler jar. You feel me? So Jamaica to you is your brief. Where you have on. You cannot take fold up. When you see dancehall right now, you say, yo, fuck dancehall. So till you see what big jets start fly all over the world, if you can land and park right there, so if you can link all dancehall artists, you say, rascal, a dancehall artist there, I can't link. I lie. What the blood clot you say to me? Eh? No, sir. Tough done. Where is it? Dancehall I make money. So much. Yes. Call me over airport there 4 and 5 times for the year. I be a private jet I come in, come link the dancehall artists them. You can see a whole heap of blood clean promise there in this little journey, you know. No, you can't make them a fly in, so we have to go make some money and thief up some money out of it. I saw you sit down in a parliament and because you see the whole heap of jet them want to fly a come link. Because remember, you know, what the amigos them down there and the whole of them, none of them not going link Chronics. None of them not going link Luciano. None of them not link Sizzler. Who them a link? Popcorn and Skilly Bang them. But a Skilly Bang them music you fight the most. You fight for Popcorn music the most. What last year, the year before that, Jay-Z go down a yard. Who ain't gonna link Teacher? Let out the man out of jail. You need, when the man jail day come, Busta Rhymes there Jamaica. He even fucking Nas. I mean Batty Nas. Me mean Nas the God, Nas Shaddam. Nas. Come down there, there. Out there the court there. All of them thing there. One time you see all of them, they could jet there, fly coming. A fly, whoo, park, a dancehall artist, them a go link. None of them not go link Luciano. None of them not go link Chronics. None of them not link Sizzler. All of them a go link. You don't want me. First again, you don't want me. Crocodile teeth. Yeah. Hear me no quick cook. Tell me all the thing. Remember, say them man they gonna look for. The man them where you fight out. The music them where you lock off. And them the man they so tune in now. No look a blood clot. Let us see them in a parliament now. What? Here, chairman, I was just looking, you know, the tourist board is slipping. The tourist board is slipping because unidentified jets in and out the island looking for dancehall. The same one who will lock off every night. The one who will tell the patrons to got them blood clot, the other is gunshot to go fire in them. Oh no. Sit down in a parliament, I want to hear the whole blood clot there. And cuss dancehall. I want to realize here dancehall the people and receive me. I wonder what the blood clot I go do. No, no want thief from the youth them. No, no want blood clot. No, no, Mr. Spokesman. Yes. Then I think it was reggae that is making all the money. No, man. The dancehall want them to make money too. Because it's only the rapper them come look for them, you know. The one them where you see in the big jet them, you know. And the whole heap of Gucci bag them and them come down here. Yes, and you see a dancehall artist them going in on love and hip hop and them thing there. Yes. Big market. Nobody never did that come down here. Come link no look a blood clot Bobo little friend them and no Marcia Griffiths and none of them. They come link Skilly them. They come link Poppy. They come link Cartel. Cartel a prison I get too much in blood clot. American artist here fly down and come down a GP come look at him. Imagine that, so now you see that. And you lock up dancehall. No, every day you want somebody in a dancehall to lock up. As you see, me say you just sit down there. And now wait to see even one speaker. Catch up right blood clot this, make a kick it down and plug out this. I tell JPS to lock off all the blood clot like around. Remember, you fight that the most. You, sir. But no, you see how we what? What happened? You see where? What? How you go? Oh? You see money out of it. So now you can try to make the poor youth them poorer. So now you want to increase all tax for the dancehall artists them now. Don't. Yes, that you are going to do. Because of your system thing that you can do, you know, up then tax. So dancehall artists they in a further debt with your pussy hole. Cause so you work, you know. I just want to know if you analyze that. Wait. Where is it?
This is the childish shit I be talking about. It's the kiddie shit I be talking about. You want some respect shit? Want some real respectful, not even yelling at you or nothing shit? Our relationship ain't gonna work.
That's cool. It's definitely fucking not. It's definitely not. It's definitely not.
Have a good
You
life.
have a great life. You and Ty and all the other fucking bitches. Because you think I'm a fucking idiot. Yeah, tape record me all you want.
Sweetheart.
Tape record me all you want.
The kids are sleeping. Can you please stop screaming?
Tape record me all you want.
Oh, she ain't breaking shit. Look.
I heard that.
That's mine. I can break it.
Yeah, but you see the time of day it is? The kids is sleeping. Your son is sleeping.
Sure, because a bitch is texting your phone and I ask you who it is
like an
and you
animal.
don't have the
The other
answer.
day you was
And you
going-
don't.
This, alright. The other day, I see Mama did go up on a little show there with Tasha K. And she go and she make up all kind of accusation and cuss and go on, you know. Watch you now. You see, this year is how she behave in front of me. This year major hype. And I mean, nobody ask me what me get for me video them because my inbox festive. You understand what me I deal with? My inbox is festive. You understand what me I deal with? Alright. So now watch this. This year is the woman who wanna say, this woman. What you better pay? You know buy what me liquor? Oh, I can talk you deal with bro G. I'm so gonna give a blood clot beat. This year, I miss Kirby in action. The woman who play the woman will say Major beat him round there. The woman will say Major is the aggressor and Major is the narcissist. Him this.
This is the childish shit I be talking about. It's the kiddie shit I be talking about. You want some respect shit? Want some real respectful, not even yelling at you or nothing shit? Our relationship ain't gonna work.
That's cool. It's definitely It's definitely not.
Have a good
You
life.
have a great life. You and Ty and all the other fucking bitches. Because you think I'm a fucking idiot. Yeah, tape record me all you want.
Sweetheart.
Tape record me all you want.
The kids are sleeping. Can you please stop screaming?
Tape record me all you want.
Oh, she didn't breaking shit. Look.
I heard that.
That's mine. I didn't break it.
Yeah, but you see the time of theirs? The kids is sleeping. Your son is sleeping.
Sure, because the bitch is texting your phone and I ask you who it is and you don't have the answer. And you don't have it. You just said you don't want to be a part of it.
Right? Now you don't want to act like an animal, right? The other day he was the animal. Now you acting like an animal, right?
Cool.
And you think that it's okay? You think that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, screaming at the top of your lungs, and
Tape record me all you want.
sweetheart.
Tape record me all you want.
The kids are sleeping. Can you please stop screaming?
Tape record me all you want.
Oh, she didn't breaking shit. Look.
I heard that.
That's mine. I didn't break it.
Yeah, but you see the time of theirs? The kids is sleeping. Your son is sleeping.
Sure, because the bitch is texting your phone and I ask you who
You
it
acting
is
like an
and you
animal.
don't have the
The other
answer.
day you was
And you
so
don't
upset
have
with
it.
him.
You just said you don't want to be a part of it.
Now you don't want to act like an animal, right? The other day he was the animal. Now you acting like an animal, right?
Cool.
And you think that it's okay? You think that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, screaming at the top of your lungs, and
Ask you who it
acting
is
like an
and you
animal.
don't have the
The other
answer.
day you was
And you
so
don't
upset
have
with
it.
him.
So, as we can see right here now, and the whole of we are going to sing you some reason like adults. Kirby, they want to pay for your beating again. I don't even want to go to pay me. I just want to one buckle. Because as you can see, we buckle done now. You see me? Kirby, one thing I don't like with woman like you, you know. The woman, them will love come play a victim. Cause remember, you know, you're an aggressive, dirty female, you know. Me have, you see, the girl who send me them thing here, you know. I don't know if this girl is Major sister, the girl where they in the video here with you right now. But you see, the hour long sitting where you have a talk with Major, all that me have to. And remember, you know, me know say you're wicked, you know. Remember, say me pretty than know say you're wicked. Remember, say me know. Say you always in the man house, I broke up the man things them, I fight the man, fling pot, spoon, cake off of the bumbucklat man, force the man to wear all drawers. Well, me I don't know if him force if he wear drawers still, cause that look willing to me still. But all of the things them where you sit down right this I do. From me watching and me listen to that the 1 hour the way you sit down on the phone and all malice all the man pitney them. Remember say you beat Major in front of you, the man call him out and name disgusting things, you know. Malice all the man pitney them in your house, you know. Remember, you know, and you sit down on Tasha Mac page and look sympathy and bawling and people oh my God, I was disrespected. He hold me down and who the fuck can hold down something like you? Nobody can hold on you, man. You, Major, me tell you, you're a fall. You're a big girl clown. Look how you make it, you made a deal with. Then if a girl in your house a deal with you, so you never expect this? You are going to sit down like this and looking at my face and tell me say you never expect this? You lie, man. You fucking lie. You're a fucking liar. You have to be a liar because you're a girl club. No girl can in my place and I deal with. Brother, I want you to fling you off fire. You fling you off fire. Yeah, fling you off fire. And you stand up there and make a girl stone you in your own a blood clot house. You buy farm, give girl. You give girl everything. All them the cash up the way you send. How much in money? Gifts after gifts after gifts after blood clot gifts. You, dirty Major. And you make a brown girl in your house and beat you. And I deal with it, them weird and fling all blood clot. She said she can't broke it because she bite. Or it's fear around. So she can take you and clot you with it. And you no come out and so defend yourself. Kirby, me know what you do. You put restraining order upon Major because she have a restraining order upon Major, you know. She put restraining order upon the man and then come make up how much he nice. So guess what? Major can't answer. If Major answer, Major go jail. Major, you a joker, man. You don't see the kind of woman where man have a deal with in a females. Major, how you do with that? Major, you're fool. Me not ask if you're blood clot fool, you're fool. You're fool. You're one big fool. You're one giggy, laughy fool. The girl a beat you in the house, broke up things for you, give you drawers for wear. I say you love abuse. And malice all you pitney them. What if you do no woman who have blood clot malice you pitney them in your house? And I'm going to tell you, say, one time she in the house, I beat you and I deal with you. Me have the 1 hour long. Me don't know if that was a conversation or somebody did a tape them when them attack, you know. 1 hour and you can't hear how you're sick, goody. You need help. You need help, youth. You're a sick girl. You're sick. You fight the man in front of pitney them, then you malice him pitney them. You sick? Major, sometimes you ever wonder if what do you dog? You lack of love. You never get enough hug when you're pitney or something. Make somebody can fool you with something in your LOV youth. Eh? LOV. You like you're frightened of a bum buckler love you know, sister, one animal that you there with. You can't expect no better for that the girl I deal with you, so now. Look how the girl in your house behave. How was the morning? Mirror, look, you just in a house like one little girl. I video him. Yeah, me have a video. If you show you see you soft, brother. So me can't believe no bum buckler when the girl I can tell me about you fight him off. My girl, like you a beat Major around me say you one big girl idiot. Girl I beat you. I beat Kirby beat you, you can't see that bum buckler. Wish me I turn up in my house and make girl a fling nothing and a ray and I go like you want this me. Mama give you 2 Jackie Chan in your bum buckler chest, Mama or Jet Li. You see what I'm dealing with? You see what I'm talking about? A video. Normally, the girl them would on a video. Kirby, you can see so she's an aggressive woman. And love fight and quarrel. And Major just come like mixy. One girl. Just have a little blood clot brown girl. Man, you burn me a fuck dog. You just have a brown pussy clot shit belly girl over there beat you. Like you're an idiot. You're a fool, man. You're a fool. Big clown, man. Fool. Clown. You're a fool. Swear. Me lose off for you, youth. Me lose off for you, brother. Major, see me cash up there. I hope you're there underneath your watch. Major, somebody call him over here. Somebody call Major over here, because nobody can do it, me, sir. Watch out.
This is the childish shit I be talking about. This is the kiddie shit I be talking about. They want some respect shit, want some real respectful, not even yelling at you or nothing shit. Our relationship ain't gonna work.
That's cool. It's definitely not. It's definitely not. It's definitely not.
Have a good
You
life.
have a great life. You and Ty and all the other fucking bitches. You think I'm a fucking idiot? Yeah, tape record me all you want.
Sweetheart.
Tape record me all you want.
The kids are sleeping. Can you please stop screaming?
Tape record me all you want.
Oh, she ain't breaking shit. Look.
I heard that.
That's mine. I can break it.
Yeah, but you see the time of theirs? The kids is sleeping. Your son is sleeping.
Sure, because the bitch is texting your phone and I ask you who it is and you don't have the answer. And you don't have it. You just said you don't want to be a part of it.
Right? Now you don't want to act like an animal, right? The other day he was the animal. Now you acting like an animal, right?
Cool.
And you think that it's okay? You think that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, screaming at the top of your lungs, and
Tape record me all you want.
sweetheart.
Tape record me all you want.
The kids are sleeping. Can you please stop screaming?
Tape record me all you want.
Oh, she ain't breaking shit. Look.
I heard that.
That's mine. I can break it.
Yeah, but you see the time of theirs? The kids is sleeping. Your son is sleeping.
Sure, because the bitch is texting
And you think that it's okay? You think that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, scream at the top of your lungs, and
Ask you who it is, and you don't have the answer. And you don't have it. You just said you don't want to be a part of it.
Right? Now you don't want to act like an animal, right? The other day he was the animal. Now you acting like an animal, right?
Cool.
And you think that it's okay? You think that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, scream at the top of your lungs, and animal. Now you acting like an animal, right?
Cool.
And you think that it's okay? You think that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, scream at the top of your lungs, and that it's okay?
Exactly.
This time of the morning, scream at the top of your lungs, and the morning, scream at the top of your lungs, and your lungs, and
This is the childish shit I be talking about. This is the kiddie shit I be talking about.
So that's a Kirby. That's her. The woman who come play upon her feelings and telling her so she get mistreated over her yard. The way how she deal with Major now, she says some Major deal with she. So me want Uno to watch that Major I call you, you know. Me don't know if you're over here but I call you. Me want you to look on that and see who did I get abused in that the blood clot relationship there. Which girl can deal with me so as a man? Which girl can deal with me so as a man? All the other catty did I tell you if you calm down, mama. When me give wah in your bum buckler chest, nobody not you no calm down, no nothing. Martial arts, mama, me not ask you, mama. Oh, me I tell you, mama. Huss, I swear to God, when me done with your bum buckler, I kick in your pussy hole. I kick in your pussy. But you can't dip on blood clot. Foreign girl vlogger come talk about he held me down and fucked me and I want me to deal with his bottom aggressive. You aggressive, dirty, nasty, killy, stinking, you. Yeah, you nasty, stinking, frozy, you. Junker, blood clot, you. So you there in the man house and a behave and a carry on. Broke up. You can't fling nothing off of me. Me a lick your back. Me not give a fuck where you want to say. Me a clot back you. Because you not gonna lick me. Me sorry. You see me? You a play a victim after we can see. Say, the only thing is, if the two are not aggressive to one another. And if him did thump in your ass at any time, people can see where you would blood clot deserve it. Go away, man. Every day you go up and you try swing pan this thing and swing pan this and look for him. Just because you look at a woman for sorry for you. Woman out there really get abused by man. And you come every day and talk about how much more can women go through. You not go through nothing. You're a dirty girl with your bumbuckler throat hole coming like one toilet. Every minute it a flush. Move, dirty girl, and go away from your man. You coming like one piss up drawers. You just rank, dirty girl, move from your man. You come, Mr. I hate the fucking girl. You say, why you play a smart victim for now? We say you're not a victim. You is a narcissist, dirty girl. And I try to swing for the boy career if you done him all Major. Don't get another girl for beat you, so. If a girl lick you like so, you love when a man beat you, Major? I love when girl beat you and a malice you pity them. I just show me can't pay the 1 hour long sitting where the girl send come give me. You want to hear Kirby in there, Major? Hardly I say nothing. At this, you can see you cow down the youth every bumbuckle out there with a look of fuck out self. You see, you dancing and hate your girl. You dancing and there's a shift and a give way to all kind of cocky and then there's down in no kind of fucking dealings with you right now. Drunk. I never inbox you yet, Major. But today is the fucking day. Because you're a clown. One big bumbuckle menke. And you first should have get a restraining order upon this blood clot girl. This your thinking dirty girl, you first should have go get restraining order upon she. Because that the girl if you tie up in a one bumbuckle born like one cow or one goat. Him if you tie up somewhere, man. Him if you tie up in a one pussy clad place. Me just me cash up to make it feel good. You understand me? Come on, Major. Because you send herby much cash up on me at work. I work, me there, so I work. Even $10. Come, Major. The amount of money when me see you send, go give me people. Wanna help, Major. Wanna help, Major. Because Major, you can see say me love you. I look me there as I look out for you. Every day me beat Kirby. As long as me see Kirby ease up back from underneath him rock, me kick him underneath the back. As he ease out from under rock, me kick him underneath the back, man. Jesus Christ. Me catch up feel good and buy one bag of weed or something. No, you got already, you know, Mr. Hole, you come on. And Mr. Holness, if you tappy, you're too gluttonous and crave and licky. You coming like one woman. You see, DJ Kelly do I invest in a dancehall, now you want money. If you tappy creeping, you're a woman. You coming like you woman, then with the have man pan child.